Should we make a star? Should I make a star? Can I see this one? Or a different color here? Here, let mommy see this. We'll make you a star. Ready?
Like gray won't work.
Star!
Star for Natalie. Just one. Uh-oh.
Now look at that made.
Very
What'd you
nice.
make? Ooh, nice. Those nice blue dots. Good job.
It's supposed to be shimmery. It don't look shimmery to me.
No,
They're making. This is a hopscotch. But
what is it now?
it's even bigger.
Bigger than a hopscotch, huh?
Yeah.
What you doing, Natalie Rose? You gonna put the cap on?
Well, my nose is a little dry.
Okay. Don't put your finger in there.
Star! Star.
Star.
It's not a hopscotch anymore.
What is it now?
Look at that.
It's a dog.
No.
Dog's head.
No, it's not.
Yeah, there's the nose. There's the mouth. There's the head. There's the neck.
Bless you.
That isn't a dog.
No, this is it's a dog too.
I don't know why she out.
It's a dog, Natalie.
Yeah. Eight. Because I don't know.
Very nice, Logan.
Look at.
Mm-hmm.
It's water.
You put the cap on? Sort of like the crayon from the bathtub.
Oh, yeah. I didn't see any more of those. Sure.
I got to go pick it. Get it.
Please, can you get it? Listen.
I'm making sun.
Mm.
I'm making a hopscotch made out of lemons. It's not anymore.
That's gonna.
Then what would this be if I make more dots?
It'll be wet.
That it's water.
No.
That's water.
No, on the paper.
Look what it's green
This
now.
one you can see a little sparkly.
That's right. The yellow and the blue make.
That's the yellow and the blue make green.
That's right.
Mommy, I'm making green one.
Cool.
It's grass. That's grass, Dada. It's grass.
Grass.
It's a lot of grass.